Namaste, 8th standard children. Today we will discuss Modern Machinery by Rudyard Kipling. First, before going to the poem, we'll just see who is Rudyard Kipling and what are his works and achievements. About the poet in page number 102. Joseph Rudyard Kipling, born in 1865 and died in 1936, was a British Indian. He was born in Bombay. He is well known as an English short story writer, poet, and novelist. Kipling received the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1907. Kipling is best known for his works of fiction, The Jungle Book 1894 and Kim 1904. So, Jungle Book, have you heard about Jungle Book? A famous writing by Joseph Rudyard Kipling, and it was made into animation and also into movies. So, he is the author of that. He is regarded as the major innovator in the art of the short story. So now we'll go into in a detailed explanation of this poem, Modern Machinery. So this is a personification poem. The machinery speaks for itself, and it's about machinery, its birth, structure, manufacture, and its work, food, and risk. So this poem runs around these aspects. See, pre-reading activity is given here. Think of 5 activities you can do without the help of any kind of machines. B. Think of 5 activities you do with the help of machines. What are the damages we face when we don't handle the machines properly? So you have to think about these 3 points. Find out the different kinds of experiences in the following activities. Traveling in a car and bullock cart. So you have to differentiate between traveling in the car and the bullock cart. Calculating a sum mentally or by using a calculator. Drawing a picture by hand or using a paintbrush in the computer. So you have to make differences, which is better. We'll come to the poem. We were taken from the ore bed and the mine. We were melted in the furnace and the pit. We were cast and wrought and hammered to design. We were cut and filled and tooled and gauged to fit. Some water, coal, and oil is all we ask, and 1/1000th of an inch to give us play. And how, if you will set us to our task, we will serve you 24 hours a day. We can pull and haul and push and lift and drive. We can print and plow and wave and heat and light. We can run and race and swim and fly and dive. We can see and hear and count and read and write. But remember, please, the law by which we live, we are not built to comprehend a lie. We can neither love nor pity nor forgive. Make a slip in handling us, you die. Though our smoke may hide the heavens from your eyes, it will vanish and stars will shine again. Because for all our power and weight and size, we are nothing more than children of your brain. So this is the poem. We'll just go from stanza to stanza. So first stanza speaks about how a machinery gets its shape, how it gets its birth. We were taken from the ore bed and the mine. So before making any machinery, they are taken. Most of the machineries are made from the metals. So we are taken from the bed, ore bed and the mine. So any machinery is, when it is made, it takes birth from the ore, iron ore or anything, any ore, and the mine. We were melted. So the mine, after taking from the mine, they are melted and given furnace and the pit. They are, after melting, they are cleaned, and they were, and the pit, we were cast and wrought and hammered to design. So after making, giving it heat and shaping it, they are wrought and hammered to design. They were given a design. We were cut and filled. So they are cut, given shape and filled. Some of the some of the metals are filled and tooled and gauged to fit. So we are given a shape, so that it takes the shape of a machine. Some water, coal and oil is all we ask. So how we live? How is our survival? How we work? From where we get the power? As we human beings, we eat to get the energy. So from where these for these machines get power? So that is said here. Some water, some machineries need water. Some need coal and oil is all we ask. Some need water because of steam, like steam engines and coal engines, and oil can be petrol, or it can be diesel or kerosene or any other oil. Some water, coal and all we ask. So this is like their food, from which they get their energy, they get their power, and thousands of an inch to give us play. And now, if you will set us to our task, we will serve you 4 and 20 hours a day. So we are planned. So previously, before making us a machine, you just give us instructions how it has to work, how I have to work as a machine. So if you set us to our task, you give us some task to work on it. So now fridge, its task is to keep the food cool and fresh. So it is a task. What is the task of a television? Television task is to, you can see pictures, movies or anything in the television, you can hear from it. So it is the task. What is the task of a grinder? So it grinds your food. So this is the task here. We will serve you 4 and 24 we will serve you 4 and 20 hours a day. So if you make us if you give us a task, we can work without any stop. We can work 24 hours a day. So our capacity is unless and until you give us complete food, energy. You put you give energy to us, we can work 24 hours a day. We can pull and haul and push and lift and drive. So what is pulling here and haul? We can pull and haul. So tractors and some machineries of pushing and lifting and drive. So this one, vehicles. So these are all machines. So pull, haul, lift and drive. So these are all machineries. This is a work of machineries. We can print, printing, and plow, tractors, and waving machines, and heat and light. Heat and light, your gas stoves or electric stoves or your oven, or it can be your heaters, water heaters, and you can light bulbs or any light. We can run and race. We can run your vehicles. We can run and race and swim. Swim means the submarines, ships, everything comes under this. And fly and dive. And fly and drive aeroplanes, any other flying machines. And dive. We can see and hear. We can see and hear. This is about television. and count, calculators, and read and write. This is about computers. So we can run and race and swim and fly and drive. We can see and hear and count and read and write. So microscopes you can see in that. So many things are there. Okay. So this is all about the work. How they work. It is about this in this para. But remember please, you should not forget something about us. The law by which we live. So we are manufactured in certain way. We are given a certain law. We are not built to comprehend a lie. We cannot lie. We can neither love. We cannot love. It's loving, caring, pitying, forgiving. These are all are the qualities of human beings. So missionaries doesn't know. So if you start loving your mobile doesn't love you. So this is like that. We can neither love nor pity nor forgive. So we are meant to work and only work. We cannot love, we cannot pity, we cannot forgive. So these are, you cannot ask forgiveness, you cannot say sorry to any machine. So they are meant to work and you shouldn't expect love, pity or forgiveness from us. We are not built to lie. Make a slip in handling us, you die. So if you make any mistakes in handling us, you are certain to die. So be careful while using machineries. Be careful while using us. We are machineries. We cannot pity that okay, this is our master, he will handle us. So we have to be very careful. We shouldn't damage him. No. You cannot expect that machine won't damage you, machine won't hurt you. It is a machine, it doesn't have any feelings. So you should be careful in handling the machines. If you mishandle your machineries, you are certain to damage yourself, you are certain to hurt yourself, or in some circumstances you are sure to die. Though our smoke may hide the heaven from your eyes. So smoke. So in the factories and all, when something is manufactured, those are all machineries. So through machineries only the factories and industries function. So due to the smoke, the sky will be covered. The sky will be dark. You can't see the heaven. So heaven here means the sky, ultimate sky. Though our smoke may hide the heavens from your eyes, it will vanish and the stars will shine again. So once it may be covered with smoke, dark clouds, but it will vanish soon. Because for all our power and weight and size, we are getting our power by you. It is you who made us. It is you who created us. So because of all our power and weight and size, whatever size we are, whatever weight we are, however powerful we are, however powerful machinery we are, it is you who created us, and we are controlled by you. We cannot control ourselves. You switch on us, you switch it off. Okay, it cannot function on its own. So because for all our power and weight and size, we are nothing more than children of your brain. So you human being, it is your brain who created us. It is your brain who can destroy us. It is your brain who can renovate us, renew us. It is you who has made us. So we are nothing before your brain. Your brain is very powerful. We are just a machine. However powerful we may be, however whatever our size, whatever our weight, we are nothing before your brain. We are nothing before your intelligence. So this is what is said by Rudyard Kipling about missionary. What he is trying to, what is the theme of this poem is, see, the creator knows better The creator knows better about what he has created, and it is in his hand to control it. You can take it for like human being and God's creations and God's control. The one who creates, he knows how to control. See, one who creates, he knows how to renovate it, how to handle it. So it is the brain speaks, the intelligence speaks. The machinery is nothing before our brain. Same way, we are nothing before God's will. So we have to be very careful in handling the machinery. They doesn't have any kind of feelings or any sort of feelings of love, hatred, or forgiveness or pitying. They work, and they are manufactured for the purpose of working. To easy, to make the work easy, to make the work fast. So they are manufactured for the purpose of work only. We cannot expect anything else from the machinery. So, and we have to be very careful while handling the machinery. And our brain is more powerful than these machineries. So it is like a personification, and is a slight form of metaphor is also here. Read the poem. This is for not for memorization. There is nothing written here like memorize. You have to memorize, but read this poem. A very easy poem. But if you try to understand it in a deep manner, you can grasp more than whatever it is written there. So try to understand the poem after reading it, and please watch the video more than 3 times. 3 times minimum you have to watch the videos. Any video, not only this, any video you have to watch 3 times, and you have to read the poem more than 5 times. Minimum 5 times you have to read. I hope you are doing what I am instructing you to do. So children, take care of yourself, stay safe and healthy. Namaste.